What's up, Goods Gang? It's Fresco VK, and Stadium Goods is open in 2 locations. So if you're in New York, pull up to 47 Howard Street. If you're in Chicago, pull up to 60 East Walton Street and tell them that Fresco sent you. But today we are unboxing one of the coolest shoes of 2021, the Nike Blazer Mid Ready-Made. So no more talking, yo, let's get straight to these shoes. The resurgence of the Nike Blazer in the last few years has been one of legend. The Blazer 77 has become a staple across several cultures. It's one of the best-selling silhouettes at Stadium Goods. It comes in several colors, and that John looks good with everything, you feel me? But we already know how collabs work, and we've seen them across several categories. But when it comes to collabs, we have to always pay homage to the Japanese. So various Japanese brands have released collabs over several years. We've got Atmos with their Air Max collection, CDG and the Converse. We've got Ambush with the Dunk. We've got Undercover with the Element React. Several brands, several Japanese brands that we completely pay homage to. But now, fast forward to 2021, we step up with a new tag team featuring Nike and the Japanese-based brand READYMADE. Founder and designer of READYMADE, Yuta Hosokawa, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, has already garnered a high level of global recognition with his design aesthetic, use of upcycled materials, and high-level collaboration. So we've seen Travis Scott, Don C, Bape, Timberland, even Takashi Murakami, just to name a few. So it's only a matter of time before Nike met up with READYMADE and brought that collaborative design aesthetic to life. So let's start off with the box top and packaging, and everybody loves a special box. But this box is made to look textured, much like the brand's aesthetic. So you'll see that marble texture looking feel on the box top, and on the green underlay, we've got that same textured feel. We've got a little graffiti hit that we'll get to in a second, and it reads no public use right there. The READYMADE in the graffiti, which is a dope detail. Hey guy, I'm trying to make a video here, of course, and the bold blocking letters on the outer side of the box. However, let's get to the inside. Before we get to the actual shoe, this kind of looks like recycled land paper for the package covering, which is actually a cool detail, and it connects to the DNA of this shoe that we'll get to in a second. But jump in the comments and let me know what you think. And here we have the Nike Blazer Mid READYMADE. The upper of this shoe has several layers, and even though it's deconstructed, it stays true to the heart and soul of the Blazer. So we'll look at that toe cap right there on the overlay, the wool underlay, which is an underlay that runs throughout that entire shoe. You can see that right there. Upcycled materials throughout the entire shoe, so it's almost like nothing I've ever felt before. This black material feels like a combination between rubber and leather. Very soft to the touch, but I actually like to keep touching it because it feels really, really nice. However, let's get to the laces here. Triple layered lacing system that runs with the flat gray lace on the top overlay. We have the round two-tone lace in the gray and white on the underlay, and then we have the neon bungee lace with the black tips and the camo that runs throughout that entire tongue. And you can see the camo right there at the top. Nike RE, of course, READYMADE. Collar features that same camo detail that is in the tongue. We have the back pull tab there, and we have the triple swooshes and the READYMADE, which is a fire detail. But we have to get to the swoosh, which I call the swoosh because it looks like if a Nike swoosh swallowed a U, and that's the vibe that I get when I look at this swoosh. But let's get to the midsole, outsole, made to look like boiled and bubbled, which adds to that the texture of the brand's aesthetic, you know, like I mentioned before with the box. And once again, connecting right to the box and packaging, the outsole looks just like the packaging that is on the inside of the box. 15% of the sneaker sole is made of Nike grime, which consists of recycled materials from Nike's manufactured throwaways and used sneakers. So the shoe is also made completely of, or almost completely of, sustainable materials, and it comes in this black colorway, and it does have an additional set of laces, the neon laces. But we do not just only have the black, but we also have the pure platinum. So you can see the details almost mirror each other besides the actual color. So as the black detailing on the upper of that, we have the pure platinum white detailing there, still with the wool and the toe cap, and then the wool on the underlay, the camo right there on the collar, the camo that runs throughout that tongue. Another difference is still triple layered. We have the flat black lace, we still have the two-tone rope lace as the under, and then we have the orange bungee cord lace on the pure platinum pair, and also an additional set of orange laces. Once again, got that READYMADE right there on the back. same outsole, same midsole, just two different colorways, the black and the pure platinum. Now let me know in the comments what you think, because I think both of these are fire, and both of these actually go with my fit right now. Y'all see the orange in the cap, and y'all see these brand new stadium pieces that we got here that are yet to hit the shelves, but they will be out soon. Let me give y'all a preview of the back. You see the back? You see how this matches? See what I'm saying? But jump in the comments and let me know what you think of not just my shirt, but both of these amazing ready-made Nike Blazers that I think are gonna hit the streets crazy for this summer and just for this whole year and going forward, because this collaboration is very abstract and there's nothing that looks like it, but it stays true to the heart and soul of the Blazer. So jump in the comments and let me know what you think, because we have both of these available here. Well, not here, but at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago's Gold Coast area. And remember, I said, tell them that I sent you. But if you cannot make it to the store, please make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. Download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. And last but not least, follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. I am Fresco VK. This is the Ready Made Blazer. Salud.